You guys, today it's an important day. We're going to be marking out what we're going to be cutting. I mean, we've done some cutting already, but we're doing a lot more. So I thought we'll get a white paint pen and go around everything I need cutting out. Whether we're going to be doing that in this video, I'm not quite sure yet. Be sure to subscribe below and like, because no one ever seems to be doing that. Yeah, let's get on with it. Alright, first of all, we need to finish off cutting the rest of this. So let's see how well this paint pen works. We need to cut here. Oh, see, pretty good at marking. Same on the other side. Not quite sure if we have to cut or how I'm cutting all the rest of this off, and obviously all of this is coming off, so all this, oops, all coming away. I'm probably cutting straight down there. And we'll worry about the rest after. Ooh, it's a little trickier on this side to work it out. As far as I'm aware, you gotta leave pretty much this. So we're probably going to be cutting up to about here. Can you see that? So basically the leg of the chassis stays in place. Probably going to cut all the way up to what, here? I will be double checking before I actually do this though. Same on this side. It's got the outer leg, so it's all dirt. Again, probably to about there. All the way down. Let's clean some of this dirt off. My wire brush has decided it's losing its hair. Look at that. So, that was good. Immediately bust that. Of course I did. We like a bit of danger though, so let's just modify. I wonder if this will actually cut through it because it's wood. And we have a wire brush that works again. Check it out. Alright, so now we're in the boot. The next places that need to be cut out. Let's mark them. If we can. So as you can see, I mean, we've got a mount here which isn't too bad, but you can see the corrosion is going all the way up to this corner, look. Yeah, not ideal. So we're going to have to cut all of this, hopefully go around the mount, better, around the mount and up to the corner. You get the idea. If we're really lucky, we'll just do like a nice clean, oops, hopefully easy to do line. Best paint line in the world, but you get the idea. We're going to cut that out. I'm not sure it'll be easy replacing this mount or not. We're going to have to Google it first, but we'll see. Alright, there we have it. That's going to be the kind of cutting line, because the rest of it looks pretty solid so far. So we're going to cut all the way along here. Hopefully somewhat be easier to replace. It's already had bad welding done here. So that's going to have to be cut back out, and then probably going to have to redo this whole mount on this side. Unless that's a bit solid there. They've just welded like literally over the mount, look how bad that is. Pretty poor. I don't know if I pry this up first, whether it'll help, but because it's been folded obviously, where it's been bumped into, that's going to have to come out either way, so we'll probably get this whole panel floor piece cut out. Well, look, you can see where it flexes actually. Yeah, I cut that there. Probably all going to fall off anyway, so yeah, that's what it's going to look like when it's all cut out. Then obviously we're going to have to do this valance thing. Don't know whether just to cut this whole section off probably would be better. Just buy a whole section like that. Probably going to be easier, isn't it? And cut down there. Cut the whole thing out in one. We definitely need is it a closing panel? I don't know what it's called. It's missing on this side, look. Con. Yeah, that's pretty dead. You can see, again, they're bodgy repair. They kind of just welded over. There's the old mount, look. Just welded over it. We've still got the problem also of, not that, those bolts to try and get out. They're going to be a bloody nightmare. So we're going to try a bolt extractor on them in a bit and see how we go. Also I could do with take all the dirt outside the arches. Might do that actually. and obviously cut the battery box out. That's going to be another pain in the butt. Might not be too bad actually if we can just do kind of the outside. Didn't work. I'm going to get another bit here to cut out, so I'm going to try and plate these bits rather than replace the whole skin because it's going to be easier. So I'm going to cut along there and make a little plate to go in. That shouldn't be too bad. This side's actually pretty good. That's the only bit that he's doing, so cut that out nice and neat with like a Dremel or something. Weld a little plate in. Bish bash bosh. Happy ho. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. Says the least experienced welder ever, but you know. And here we go. This side's gonna be another nightmare. Spiders have really moved in. Jeez. Okay. Not helpful, is it? Buggers. Alright, this side I imagine is gonna be somewhat the same. It looks solid. And look at the floor. It looks good, but this is what the other side looked like. Fantastic on the outside, or inside technically. But it ended up being like this. Which again, this side isn't quite, oops, it's dead, quite as bad as the other side so far, but looking in there, I'm going to say it's just as bad, so we will be cutting probably the floor out. We're going to have to knock all this deadening out and have a look how bad it is underneath there, but chances are it's going to be another proper floor jobby. I imagine all of this is going to have to come out. This side doesn't look, oh yes it does, look at that. Terrible. This side's just as bad. Of course it is. Yeah, I think once you get the grinder on it, there's a jacking point, that's not quite as bad so far, but at least the back half of this is going to have to be replaced, so sort of like here onwards. Oops, stupid little arrow. There. That way onwards is definitely like this. This is terrible, so 100% here. That's getting cut out. For sure. The doorstep isn't so bad until you get down here. So yeah, I imagine this whole thing's gonna have to do. Yeah, look there. So that at least you might be able to patch it if we're really lucky. And obviously where it's been welded again before, so once it's gone over rust, all this panel's gonna get done. Yeah, so all of this panelage I need to clean up. We'll clean up and we'll come back to it.